What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your first $200 to $300 per day without typing. The method I'm going to be sharing with you guys, it's super easy, and also guys I'm going to be sharing with you one secret tactic on how you can get your first $200 to $300 per day online. So now let me share with you what the one thing that we are going to do, and literally we do not even need to typing at all. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So what we are going to do, we are going to literally write the articles, but the catch is this: we are not going to type over here, and I will be sharing that secret in a minute. Plus I will be sharing the secret to get your first client, your first customer. Literally guys, everybody is sharing about the text broker, that you can get the orders from the text broker. Yeah, it's possible. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but literally for a lot of guys it's not possible to be accepted by the text broker, because at some point their review is very hard. So maybe you are not going to be accepted by the text broker, but the strategy that I'm going to share with you is going to help you a lot. And even if you are a complete beginner, so that then also is going to help you a lot. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to be sharing with you two tactics on how to get your first clients and ask him to charge $200 to $300 per day. Okay, maybe I'm not saying it's a per day, maybe it's kind of article related to the article, whatever the price will be of the average price. So on that basis you can charge your clients. So now guys, what we are going to do and how we are going to find the clients. First of all guys, the first way to find a client is going to be super easy. We are going to use the Facebook, because guys Facebook is a community where you are going to find tons of bloggers and all those guys. Okay, so as you can see, bloggers funda over here, you look at this, 84,000 members, bloggers world. And remember guys, these groups are not spammy. You are going to find the make money online groups are completely spammy, but these bloggers group are literally not spammy. They are really full of value. Yeah, maybe some are full of spam, but not every group is kind of full of spam. Okay, so you need to remember that. What you need to do, you just need to enroll in the group and start sharing something not about start sharing something about the blogging. I will not say to, even if you do not want to share, there is one thing you can do. You can reach out to these guys. There are two ways with the Facebook as well. The first way is to post in the group that if anybody needs a writer, I'm going to write his first article for 100% free. So in that way you are going to get a lot of guys. A lot of guys will come back to you. Okay, and you can also say that for the second article I will be charging the 50% off. And literally, maybe, yeah guys, you are going to get less price, but you are going to get the testimonials. And once you are going to get your 5 to 10 clients, you are going to get the testimonials from them. You can really charge big money. You can charge $300. You can charge a premium price. This is the thing you need to remember. You need to give them value. Okay, I will talk about this in a minute as well. But over here you are going to see 12,000 members, 84,000 members. Just post in this group and tell them you are going to write their first article for 100% free. Okay, so this is the tactic you can utilize. The second thing to find the clients from the Facebook is what you need to do. You need to reach out to the guys who are in these groups and go to them personally and tell them, hello sir, I will write the first article for you for 100% free, and let me know if you like my article or not. Okay, so then we can proceed and all those things, and also you can tell him that I will be charging less money than the market. So if in the market there is a $1,000 words article is selling for $200, you can tell him I will be charging $170 or maybe $150, because you are now a beginner. So there is nothing bad in that. Okay, so this is the tactic, and really guys, at least 90% of the guys will be ready to take your first article. And if somehow they are going to say that I really do not like your article, so tell them, hello sir, what can I improve? Sir, I will be come back to you by improving this article. Yeah, maybe some of the guys will reject you, but some of the guys are going to help you. you are going to find at least one guy in the 20 guys that is going to be ready, because they are going to write 15 articles, 20 articles every single month. They are not just running one blogs, but they are running a lot of blogs. So they can easily provide you 5 to 10 articles. Every single writer, every single blogger can easily provide you 5 to 10 articles. So getting 5 to 10 articles, that means it's about $1,000 to $1,500 dollars just from one client. That's really big money. Okay, so this is the tactic. Just guys, give value, give them first article for free. And that tactic, I'm going to share with you second tactic to get your clients. But before that, if you do not want to type, literally guys, come on the Google Docs and click on the tools over here, and there you are going to see what is it is called, it is called voice typing. So when you are going to click on the voice typing and click on the click to speak, you whatever you are going to speak, all will be mentioned over here. So this is one of the tactic you need to remember. You can use, literally guys, you can easily write a 1000 words article just in half an hour. Maybe my internet is slow, that's why it's not working, but literally guys, it's very easy. And also look at this, it's everybody is writing over here, everything is writing down over here. Okay, you need to really guys, it's super easy. Look at this, speak to you, always mentioned over here. So really guys, and guys, look at this. If something is going to happen, for example, there's any mistake in your article, you can install this Grammarly. So wherever the grammatical mistakes will occur, this is going to read down that word. So then you can easily correct that. So your article will be much more good. So this is one of the tactic you can use, and be sure to install this Chrome plugin. It's 100% free. You just need to search on the Google Grammarly plugin, and that's it. So this is the tactic to write the article. Now guys, the one secret to get the clients, to make every client yes, to every client, say every client yes, how they are going to hire you. Just give them value. The first thing is value. When you are going to give them something for free, 100% they are going to give you something back. When you are going to tell them, I will be writing your first article for free, they are going to give you orders. You will start getting orders. You may not get the orders from your 50% clients, but another 50% are going to be ready. If you are going to tell 20 guys that I will be writing a free article for you, 90% of the guys will be ready. Means 18 will be ready. And now out of those 18, when not everybody is going to accept your article, but if at least 2 are going to be ready, that's about $2,000 a month. That means, and you can also tell them, if you are going to refer me to someone else, I will be charging 50% less money. If you are going to refer me to 2 guys, I will be giving you 2 months for free. Maybe guys, no, you are not going to say something like 2 months for free, but you can say 10 articles for free. Maybe guys, you are losing, you have to do a lot of work, but look at this, you are going to get 2 more clients. That means another $2,000 to $3,000. You can hire a guy who is going to write for you, and you can easily get a guy to write for you at cheaper price. You can give him salary, you can hire a virtual assistant. So all these things are going to be scale up your business. Now the second tactic to get the client, what do you need to do guys, on whatever the topic you want to search, whatever the topic you want to write, just search it on the Google. Look at this over here, there are tons and tons of blogs. All these blogs are they really publish the article. Most of the blogs publish the article on daily basis, just like it's like YouTube. We post videos, a lot of guys post videos on YouTube on daily basis. So these guys also post the blogs, I mean the articles on daily basis. So just reach out to them, and you are going to see either their contact us page, or maybe their email, or sometimes maybe their phone number as well, because some of the guys keep their phone number to give a great user experience. And maybe you are going to get their social media. So ask them, do not just reach out to a single source, just message to all of the sources, messages to their contact us page, message to their email, message to their Facebook, Pinterest, WhatsApp, or whatever all of the things are given. You just need to reach out to them and start telling them that I will be doing all of these things for you. Okay, so this is one of the tactic, guys, you can use, and 90% of the guys are really they want article, they want more and more article, because then they are going to make more and more money. So nobody is going to refuse you, and even when you are going to write the first article for free, and literally you can easily write a 30-day article of 1000 words in 30 minutes by just literally speaking over here. Look at this, it's been, I think, about more than 50 words. It literally take me at max to max 30 seconds. So look at this, the huge potential. So really, guys, and whosoever has stayed till now, I will be sharing with you one more secret on how you can expand this business. So what you can do, guys, literally you can also reach out to the YouTubers and tell them that I will transcribe your videos. I will transcribe your videos, and literally, guys, when you are going to transcribe their videos, you can charge them much higher price. You can charge them much higher price, and literally, guys, you can then listen to their videos and you can then transcribe them, because you are going to understand their wording, and then you can simply type that, or whatever you can do, you can just listen to their video and thereafter just giving some poses and keep on saying about their videos. And this is one of the things you can do, and because the transcribing is way much more expensive than just an article. So just, guys, start taking action and you will be start getting clients from today. And I will also, guys, be sure to check out the 100% free training. To check out the link in the description. Okay, and guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box and I will see you in the training. Just one thing, remember, start taking action from now. Just whatever you want to do, just write it down and start taking action instantly. That will be the big success yours. I will see you in the training. Bye bye and tata for now.